Hey everybody, in this topic I'm going to explain string indexing. Indexing allows us to access the elements of a sequence using a set of square brackets, also known as the indexing operator. Using this set of square brackets, following a string, there are up to 3 fields that we can fill in. We can access a starting point in the string, an ending point, and a step. Here's an example. Suppose we have a credit card number. Credit number equals, and I'll just make up some number, 1234-5678-9012-3456. Good enough. If I need the first character within the string, I can type the name of my string variable, followed by the indexing operator, which is a set of square brackets. The first position has an index of 0. Computers always start with 0, so that's why the first index is 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and print this. Print credit card number at index of 0. That would be 1. If I were to change the index to be 1, 0, 1. That should be 2. Index 2 would technically be 3. Then 4 is the dash within our string, as you can see here. With the indexing operator, there's up to 3 fields that we can fill in. A start, end, and step. If you have just one field listed without any colons, it's assumed you're filling in the starting position. So now what if you would like the first 4 digits of the string? Well, we would type the name of our string variable, indexing operator. We'll need a starting index, colon, then an ending index. The first 4 digits would be 0, colon, 4. Then I will print this. And I'm just going to turn this first line into a comment. Yeah, there we go. We have the first 4 digits of our credit card number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just so you know, with the ending index, this index is exclusive. This first number would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did not include that dash within the number. The starting index is inclusive. The ending index is exclusive. So you can omit the 0 in the beginning. You could just say colon 4. Python assumes the starting position will be the beginning of the string. So that would work too. Let's get the next set of digits, 5, 6, 7, 8. Credit number, indexing operator. Let's find where the starting index would be. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, colon, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we will print whatever is here. The next set of digits is 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe we need the last 12 digits. Well, what we could do in that case, we will take our string variable, credit number, set the starting index to be, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, colon. If you need everything up to the end of the string, you don't need to list an ending index, just be sure to add that colon. Python then assumes you need everything up to the end of the string. So I will print whatever we have. Then we should have everything besides the first 4 digits. Yep, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You could also use a negative index. Credit number. If you need the last character in a string, you would set the index to be -1. Then I will print this. Print credit number at index of -1. That would be 6. -2 is 5. -3 is 4. -4 is 3. And then -5 would be that dash right here. Yeah, you can use negative indexes too. Let's talk about step. Using the step field, we can access the characters in a string by a given step. We can count by 2s, or we can count by 3s. So here's an example. So let's take our credit number. If we're not filling in the starting or ending fields, but we need a step, we would need 2 colons then. Python is assuming everything from the beginning of the string to the end then. Our step will be 2. This will print every second character within our string. Yeah, here we are. We have 1, 3, dash, 6, 8, 9, 1, so on and so forth. If I were to change the step to 3, we would count every third character, beginning with 1, 4, 6, dash, 1, 3, 6. All right, here's a practical example. Let's create a program to get the last 4 digits of a credit card number. I'm going to assign this to a new variable. Last digits equals our credit number, indexing operator. So we need the last 4 digits. Where would the starting index begin? Well, we could use negative indexing. This last digit is -1, -2, -3, -4. We will begin at -4. Colon. We can omit the ending index. Python assumes we need the rest of the string then. Really, that's all we need. So let's print. I'll use an F string. Maybe some X's. Maybe we're hiding somebody's credit card number except the last 4 digits. Okay, then variable last digits. All right, and here's our credit card number where only the last 4 digits are visible. Hey, you know what? Let's add one more exercise. Let's reverse the characters in the string. I'm going to reassign credit number equals credit number. If we need the entire string, we don't necessarily need a starting index or an ending index. But for the step, this will be negative. -1 will reverse a string. Then let's print whatever our new credit card number is. Print credit number. And yeah, there is our credit number backwards. To reverse a string, you set the step to be -1. So yeah, everybody, that is string indexing in Python. We can access elements of a sequence using the indexing operator, which is a set of straight brackets. You can list a starting position, ending position, and even a step if you need to skip over characters. But yeah, that is string indexing in Python.